No one can guess how many such problems there are in the student's life. Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all right. And a happy Indian Republic Day to all of you. First of all, thank you for your support and love. Who am I? What are we going to do? What is this all about? I have come to chat about all of these things. Stay connected to us till the end. Many of you must be wondering what Aziz Bate is. Why did we name it? Aziz means love and Bate means talk, the things we are doing right now. So Aziz Bate is lovely talks in a way. I don't think there can be anything more endearing than education. And whether it is our signal group or this channel, it's all about education. Now you would be curious about how it all started and why. From what we have learned during our educational journey, what we have heard from the seniors, what we have seen in society, one thing is very clear that no one wants to listen to the students. Everybody is a dad, uncle, let's say of one student, but no one is there to attend them. What is the problem with them? What do they like and what they want to do? What is their thinking? Who? Nobody cares these things. What is the challenges in the student's life? They finish this, but what's next? They are all told to study and work hard, but nobody listens to them. That they have no interest. Their mind speaks something else and their heart wants something else. Is there anyone who can guide them? Spend some time and try to understand them. Students have to fill up the form, but that is wrong, etc. No one can guess how many such problems there are in the student's life. If we look at children, then their issues are more severe. Since their childhood, we have been interested in making them like machines, robots. Well, seeing many of these things, I launched a WhatsApp group on December 31st with a friend. Now, this is running on the Signal app due to privacy concerns. You know. We also set up separate male and female groups and separate groups for our foreign mates. We currently have a total of 60 people and more than 15 experts have joined us. If you want to join our group, fill the Google form and the Google form link is in the same description box. Now let's talk about what the Signal group is and what will happen on this YouTube channel. Friends, our mission is to be one-to-one with all things. We want to listen more to you so that we can properly join your hands. If you join the Signal group, you will receive educational news regularly. If you have any question or would like to know about admission or courses, you can write in the group. Anybody can give the answer. And if no one, then we are there. We will chat with the expert and then we will answer. If you or your known people have either of these problems or your children, you can ask us in the group. Or if you can't ask in the group, then in the personal box of the admin. You need to join the group to know more about all of these things. Interesting. Now let's talk about this channel. So here too, there is a lot of stuff. Like you are going to have a general chat about something special that's going to be connected with education. But the most important thing is that we want to listen to you. And we have called this program as Untold Story. But what is it? There is a story in every student's life that they would like to tell others, but they are unable to tell. Such as the difficulties in their educational journey, the neighborhood's disturbance, sexual assault, etc. Are something else from which all of us can get benefit from. And yes, you can share it with us as you want, either in the video, audio, or in text, and either with your name or without your name. Is it interesting? It is. What you need to do is email us and find our email ID in the description. Write the untold story in the subject and attach the audio video text file. And yeah, you can send this in any language like Hindi, Urdu, English, Roman, mixed language. No matters. Apart from this, you will also see interviews with the business leader on our channel very soon. Perfect and accurate. No big talks, no big promises. Keep showing your love and we are going to do a lot of things. This is your channel. Let's make the place better and go on together. Who are we? Why are we doing? What we are getting? I am the one who is in front of you, and this is my only introduction. Nothing more than this. If you want to know more about me, then you can check my LinkedIn Twitter profile. Link is in the description. As I have said before, what we have seen, what we have heard, we have seen people in so much difficulties. So, seeing all of this, we took an initiative to tackle it, and several people were there to help us. So, it was easy to do that. The rest of it is you and me, and life goes on like this. Now, what are we going to get? It's just free because we are doing it in our interest. And you must have heard that when something is free, then you are the product. So, here, your law is the product, and we need your law. Let's get to know a story in our next show. Do you want to send your story? Do you want to give a talk or interview? Then go ahead, you are most welcome. All of our platform links are in the description to join us. And yeah, I am not a speaker, I am not a communicator. This is my first time. I want to hear feedback. So either on any platform or in the comment box. Please leave the feedback. How we can improve, how I can improve. What is my mistake in this video? Let's find this. Let's improve this. Another thing is like, comment, share, subscribe, bell icon. So please do that. Thank you so much for joining us. See you in next show.